got so worse than it was.
Yeah, put that on your channel. Why do we have real mom?
You're gonna put it in,
And just let me make it go and melt
cover it and make it simple. Oh my god. Guys, things got way worse. Oh my god, things got so worse than it was. All because we want party. No, me can't talk, me say weak. My throat hurts so bad. I feel like it's the fan because I have to keep the fan stuck on me. So I feel like that. I feel like it's that. I don't know. It can be the babalika them on the outside and the cold, but there is no cold. I feel like it's the fan. But last night was so much fun now. It's worth it. I'm gonna drink some of this liquid. I'm drinking glad this time I will put a scoop if you carry some Terraflu for me. Because I'm not in any pain. I'm not in any pain. I just feel weak. Just feel weak. So weak. I'm gonna try to get this wig off my head. It's already going back anyway. It's sitting back, so I'm gonna get it off. Wash my hair. And try to get it. Try to get it like braided or something. For come back home with. I think I have like 3 more days here. So yeah. How is it possible that one buckle good for everything? Everything. Headache, fever, sore throat, achiness, pain, chest congestion, tight. It's crazy. Cough, everything. That thing good for everything. I never said that yet. Anyway, I think I have 2 vlogs for you guys. 2 vlogs to make for you guys before I get out of here. I think it's a house tour at the village and my community walkthrough. I think that's what I have leave. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else specific unless we're just chilling. But that's 2 main vlogs that I have to do before I get out of here. Yeah. Oh my god. From a come from camping, I feel like this is from a come from camping. Yeah. But anyway, today is Cherokee birthday. Yeah, Cherokee is my best man. I love that nigga so much. I love him so much. Like, they don't make a lot of Cherokees anymore, you know. Can't get enough of him. So I don't know what he wants to do today. I hope he doesn't want to do anything because I am tired. I am tired. But yeah, cuties. My mom calling me. Hey, mom. Yeah. No, I love my throat, God. Cuties, what's going on? Guys, I have not vlogged in 2 days. I've been so sick.
But it's Friday, no, it's Saturday night. And I can't stay in the house so long, so I got road. So I will go Papi and get me your wash and come back up and then we chill down at my sister's shop a little bit. It lock? No, if you're not gonna play something, if it lock, that's not lock then.
Put back the key in this, have it go.
No, I need to get it.
Oh.
We didn't think that it would be quite so sudden and so dramatic. The extraction was a much more
Yeah. Left all like them man. So me soon will reach a road. And I light up blindly. Oh, down the road. So the nice I can load on my video, you see?
What, this?
Anyway, cuties, my hair is done and washed. It's like 3 hours late. It's like 10 something now. Leave out of the house after 7. So this will do for tonight. I think the girl will come tomorrow, come braid it. But I like the way it feels. It just feels light and fresh. I love it. So you go village, how happened? So you look so, which of you? So you look so. Anyway, my beautiful people, we all go to village and we will stop at the night. So we'll go and listen. Guys, some man, I'm eating the fruit of my week. For mine, I don't eat nothing. I drink a Lucozade. I'm just drink my water. But it's whatever. Figure what we eat tonight. Yeah, we'll stop at the night. Alright. Sophia, you drink?
The rum. I might put that.
Why you have to, you like rum? What you say? Rum you want? Rum you want too? Give me a next flask, birdie. Rum and boom. Boom. Ting you drink. A Coke. So give me one flask and a ting and a Coke. Light bright because the damn camera in the pot. Give me things now, you're enough, so get your can boom, please. So you're so enough. I don't want any boom. Boom is booming me up. Chicken with chicken. You don't cook? Guys, I'm not drinking on me. I'll take 2 pills not too long. Hold on, then we can't drink for the set of alarm just take. And in one thing.
No, give me one Coke.
Make sure this good. They told me to try it. Sissy, I get no Nostrado. And strawberry. Ready, you get the bag them and you still not set the ice them door them set.
I set ice. So if I get nervous this. See her near so.
Girl! Get a lick out of your friend.
Jump.
Let me tell you. One lick. Jerky, this is actually good. Tastes burns.
When you Roman
Compar, yeah? I want my subscriber to tell me to try it instead of the boom. It's actually really good.
you want this?
Give me a tea. No, I like it.
Bird, do you have thing?
I know nothing.
And I drink boom.
May I get a thing for you, Navas?
Oh.
Repeat again.
Sunian! Where you go with your face beat, sir?
Big up yourself.
Big up. Just give me my phone at my bag.
Your video me?
No, I want my video. Auntie Vivian. Well, go on. Come downstairs. Happy New Year.
Same to you.
So you know your face pretty, so where you going?
You have to up and you pass for down, you can't shout me.
That's true, I could have showed, but I always think I work or something there, you know? Yeah, I could have showed for you. Rip the runway. Your face pretty though. Your face nice.
And you're putting on the camera.
Look cute.
Yes, baby!
I wish I ripped the runway there.
No, it come here last year and go.
Rip the runway. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, my hat like fire last year, but sweating all last year, so things.
You can't make you have a blood for.
I don't know when I get fat, I go auntie me say, Jesus. Or yourself, man. Look.
Start. Don't make the music stop and start.
The same thing, me just ask them. The longest setup that me ever hear from a band.
Blood clot bands that string up a long time. And they from the them a play music. You ever see bands that string up in the night? You never see this here. Man clot slap a long time. Buckler. Yeah. Man I hear music. How I singer?
I want to sing out of there?
Yeah. Lot? Yeah, lot of sing.
Lot? Where's how you go sing?
Who was it?
You.
Why? I'm a family. I remember, man. Which one?
Yeah, I sing off of the bands, man.
Never done my husband.
I know they can't choose.
You're touchy feet, you know? Up tonight.
I love the foolishness.
Yeah.
Yes, come here, sing it. Yeah, the fun already here.
I would to whistle it that noise. Noise, man. I won't believe noise of the finger. Thank you.
You never remember to.
And that's already in my work with it.
We can't see on the work.
Oh, that's work.
Most guys is coming from the old man.
Here, man.
So you're not tonight? Not drink tonight.
Preparation start 90.
Next on the YouTube channel.
You not follow me?
Yeah, man. Follow your friends, man.
On YouTube?
Yeah, put that on your channel. Why do we real mama? Can't speak.
Not speaking shit.
Channel.
Yo, people, the sound pop down. I went on the bands to tune up.
Why not you miss?
Papa, if I'm coming, I don't see how. You know, I saw. Boy, you was busy. May I do it for me going away, so I'm going to make you know. Okay?
You're invited.
Yeah, eat that. I should get so much the last time.
You can't.
I should go out with so much thing the last time.
I'm just telling you, say your invitation revoked.
You revoke it? It can't stop me. Tomorrow.
Early in the morning, I Yeah, man. What the man name again?
Later, you see?
Black him more, something. And any woman there in that village, black him more, used to.
You don't want to control, I swear that.
Watch it. Let me see it. I said it's not messy bone. Your black girl in other styles? Yeah, messy bone. This is a ponytail, but earlier she's a messy bone.
Cuties, light gone. I saw a piece of heat wave wake me up. Oh my God, what am I gonna do today? I don't know what I'm gonna do without the fan. I will me in here dead. I will me throat to kill me the fan off it on. The fan off it on. So I sleep and feel like a heat up lie down for me. I mean, I say, what is? I mean, I say, oh, come here, come look at the fan. Oh! Oh! Yo! What's that, cuties? Guys, I want to keep her gone. But say, oh God, I love you so much. I love you so much. I know you felt my pain. You felt it. Ah! God know me don't come back a while ago. No. God knows them child are gonna mad right out. What happened to the camera, yeah? Oh God, Mr. The light come back. Oh Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God, I've never been so happy in my lifetime. For nothing. Like on my glass for the look. Does that mean they have burn up? Whew. Anyway, we don't tell no my heart, but we not for bother. Cause the light come. But y'all see the hairstyle of me buy pay for yesterday? Pay $4,000 for yesterday. Wash. I mean it's still clean. But the look of pressing gone. Gone. Last night, the way me I sweat last night, the ear just started poof up, just start getting enough. So I end up just straight up in that one. Cause in a sense, can't bother. The girl's supposed to come to the braid me here. Hopefully she does. Hopefully she come. Oh God. It's Sunday. Cuties, I don't know, I need to forget me yard. I'm there a 3 week. A 3 week no me there. I try and wait as long as possible for my barrel. But the barrel not come. Look like me have to go away. Go back at work and then come back. Come deal with the barrel situation. That's probably what I'm gonna have to do. I mean, Cherokee names is on the barrel. I never full and put my name alone on it. Put Cherokee name on it too. So him can collect it for me. But you know, I like to sort my stuff myself just because me not write name on things and me don't really remember. It's like I gotta see it to be like, yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. So what's up? Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this vlog today. Cuties, last night at the night, I hope my cousin got some good footage for you guys because I was so hot. My friend want to see run on my sister style back. When I shot back, I'm sit down on this and a couple of the girls them come sit down with me and run there have a vibes. It was too hot. It was so hot. I just there for relax myself and be like, me have one cup of liquor all night. I was like no drinking. But yeah. To the cuties that told me about the rum, Campari and cranberry, thank you very much. That was really good. That was really good. No hangover, no bad feeling. Yeah, and the cranberry is 1,000 times better than the freaking boom. So thank you for that. What was I saying? Yeah, the footage. Hopefully we get some good footage because Jamaica night always turn up. Night out here, the people have always gone with some bag of things. But like I said, it's too hot, so because they have the camera doing thing. So hopefully we get some good excitement, you know. Yeah. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining the family. Welcome. Happy New Year's to you guys. Please make sure to like the video. The doors are run. Oh God. Yeah. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Jesus Christ. Don't stop. I say as the fan turn on, you know, I can't do without it. Cuties, what's up? The girl is here to braid my hair. Thank God. The doors is killing me. Alright, what are Lily? Let's go, Lily. We have 2 combs, one big one. Looking at the bathroom, please.
We're gonna come back there again. I'm gonna go back over my yard. Go for umbrella. I think you're in there. Stop looking, but I'm can't clean up back again. Just go for your umbrella real quick.
You know, so I never buy a braid, guys, but my mother always have everything. I don't know what she do it. Every single thing you can think of, she have it. Anything you want, she have it somewhere hide. So I never get my braid today and I tell her something on the braid and look at this. Here for these. I don't think I'm gonna use these. 3 pack alone can do me here, right babe? Yes, I'm gonna use. And they're short, but I don't mind because I just want to do it and just sketch it up. I just want it braid nice and then we just sketch it on bunny. So I don't have nothing for my body. Yeah. So let's go get it. Lily, if you want to change the channel, they can use my phone. I ain't mind be on camera, don't come my vlog.
To go bound for to this out, nothing to discuss, cause I give them right fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, it's out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fly, my eye, don't cry, I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now see what you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do?
I'm trying to catch it up. Look, I'm gonna want the ear from my back. I don't know, babe. So I'm gonna try put it up in a one and bun it. But I can't find one to catch it with. So cuties, I'm trying to make a bun, but it's that big face with me have the bun kind of need to be fatter. It's too small. So I'm gonna pack it with this and then see if we can wrap the ear around it. But they've all lost the ball of them, can't find it now. Way better. Can you say no more heat? Well, I'm not gonna say that, but this is gonna make it a lot better. A whole lot better. Better. I'm not the biggest fan of these lashes. They make my eye look droopy. I don't want this to fall, so I'm putting in as much pin as possible. I think that's good. But I'm strip it. I'm gonna put back the ear pin. Anywho, this is the finished look. I love it. It's so cute and so light. Yeah, it's not too heavy, you know. So This is it. This is gonna last me for the rest of my trip, which is like maybe 4 more days. So, yeah. Now Lily's getting her hair done. Yeah, my love, Lily, I get bashment. Alright, it's time to eat. I am starving. You here I come to? No? I feel like I'm gonna cook. I feel like I wanna cook. So maybe we could. Here it is. So I'm gonna steam some pop chow and some chicken back. But some chicken and chicken back. Cause bone alone can't eat with vegetable. So but it look like me have to go use all of the vegetable in the fridge because the one of them are spoiled already. Everything is spoiled in the fridge. So I'm just gonna chop up everything. The knife the upstairs. I can't even show it. Let me show you. The cabbage them out a wilt, they call it. Whatever they call it. This is the pop chow. Watch out. Spoiled already. Look at this. Look at that. That's crazy. That's too fast, man. Too fast. By the time I cut off everything for this, none left. Alright, guys. Give me it here. There's so much waste. This is all our we are throwing. All of this. I barely get nothing from it. And the damn grocery, what you call it? Sitting them just by like, not even a week now. Not even a week. It's crazy. I think I find alone them something I go on as you buy the grocery them spoil, but apparently not. Apparently or apparently. And the cabbage them are spoiled too. So I'm gonna do everything. Me I gotta chop up everything. It freeze up. Let the fridge one turn down. Hey, me alone turn my handicap when my nails them get old. Let me know. Cause anytime my nails them get stale, it's like me don't know if I do nothing again. Them so delicate. Yeah man, this froze me yo. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna put all of them in the base here. I'm gonna beard while Scooby I use the knife outside. Cause it look like I want big knife. Him want the board down Zoe. Give him the board in the meantime. I'm gonna just go beard until him done. Throw this in the trash. And give him the board for use. And most the freezer, I still want them freeze up down at the bottom them I come from. So I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna hold it fresh, fast and quick. By the time Scooby done cut up the meat, clean up the meat, I'm done beard. Alright, BRB. Look at the hairstyle. Turn around. Looking so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Turn on that side of me, see? Nice. Lovely. So come out and show I'm gonna brush my teeth. Don't brush my teeth. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and come back. The aisle come down.
No, remember the chicken back. All the chicken batter when I cut up in the night, you know. So you know what chicken batter?
Yeah, but them still have for fry.
Oh, chicken batter. Yeah, but when chicken batter, them.
We're going to make oil?
Yeah, make it too oil. I don't put them in and cover.
You can't turn the phone for them, see, bro.
Cover the pot.
Your phone now have it.
The turn?
Yeah, I believe me can't find my light, yo. Yes, just putting the thing in there now. Look like you have to turn it over. You have to put it in, cover it and make it simmer, make it shrink. Oh. Stuff it down in there.
It's serious.
Yeah.
See, this is going to do all of this?
Yeah, just cover the pot.
Just
A cabbage and thing I'm this, you know. Not throw no water at night.
Not throw no water at night. Why do you do this to get fucked?
You say if you're not cuss a bad word, it's going to be you not feel righteous in the life, though.
Like that.
Don't it?
Uncle, bring the words to me, huh? What do you mean?
You say if you're not cuss bad, you don't feel good, though.
No, because I talk.
You talk that?
You must put something around you?
If I put something around me, I get hot. Can't manage to eat, man. I find that I feel a little cool. You know that bag there, right? So take out, bring the bag there, please. Is this shit there or something?
That's kind of way off. You can't have that time.
That's what I mean to use.
So
No onion no there. Them people use just this. You can use scallion and thyme and pepper. That is good. Enough with the green season we blend up in there already. You understand? And the 2 green pepper were in there.
Use the 2 green pepper?
You know them not no use. We are grung. Where we are grung?
Sure. Let me can't pick it down.
Put it up on this, you know?
You can't bother the height more time, you know.
We're going back a grung, Scooby.
Sure, yeah, man, come. Yeah, turn it on and wash off, you know. Yeah.
Just turn it on, make water come and then lock it up back same time.
This one knife over this one? Bring a knife for me.
No, I have 3 baby daddies.
Well, I'm soon tell you when. Like, don't come back, don't come yet, don't come.
No.
Back and forth, no make no sense.
Lock it off now, man. Enough water this. Now just wash this up now.
Yeah, you could turn it off. This could be never to say you have little season that is to turn that pot.
That can when it simmer down, throw it. Don't worry about
When
it.
it simmer down.
Yeah, man, it will simmer down.
Oh, simmer down. We can't see.
Looks like it's getting rotten down, you know.
All of them are rotten. Everything.
Because they want to come out of the house like that.
Say the bad word. Pick up the whole of
And
that
the
big
nice
box there,
killing,
you know?
them look at the nice killing where you get ready and look where you happen. Because you not look out for something them.
Oh, me look out for something.
Take them out of the bag and sun them. You ever know that?
I first me know that.
Yeah, your son skeleton more time on.
Me never know that.
Yeah. And that's why them, you have a sun them and them stay dry. Put them in the bag, them are wet.
But I'm in the fridge.
Yeah, but you have to take them out and sun them. Ask your mother.
I'm not asking my mother nothing.
What does she tell you?
No, sir. Cuties, you know that? Because me never, I like me, I want to put myself because I can't find me like me, I don't know why. My nose I run. My nose I run down the hill.
Jeremy dropped the heavy lead
Forehead 50 years. Forehead! Eh? That's all I got about my forehead? I haven't think of a forehead yet, bro. Think of a forehead. But think of a forehead yet, bro. It's going to be. Oh Lord. Alright. We're going to edit. Yeah. We need soda water here for go. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it.
Literally, we're going to be pouring this concrete slab today. I'm really excited. Finally, the big day came. The pour. I never poured a slab
A
this
little bit of water you see now.
I don't enough water, I think enough.
My eye ain't nasty good enough.
It looks so. It needs fee. What drop?
I'll burn it with this tonight.
Is that why people fuck?
Chopsuey name. What can
Take it off. The vegetable are cook out too much, man. Take it off.
Everything we hoped it would be. When they packed up and left,
No, I stood there. Nobody bring nothing more as though this done.
It wasn't just concrete anymore. It was the literal
So you waste your time. You waste your patiently good time.
You promise, Emma.
Yeah, but I can't
What me do?
It's like when she graduate from primary school this year for high school. Me I beg you get one clock so she go high school and one with the bag then name. Where the bag name? It's spray ground bag, you know what I say?
What name so?
The spray ground bag them man like it's always over come on and not that one.
So which part me find that now?
Not foreign?
Where?
Kenny know say Richie call Jaruki.
Make you fly out regular. Baby, cock up your bumper, sit down on it. Tell your pum pum go down your face. Do it you everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket. Hello? Yo. How are you? Jenna, you know they are thinking about you. Don't want to have a life,
Come give Boogie this to me. Guys, the light dead on the can't even see good. But this is it. I'm gonna eat. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Or maybe this is the end of this vlog. I'm not even sure where we are, baby. It's spicy? It is for real? Oh my god. But you like spice, so don't complain. Give me it. Give me the chicken butter, please, and thank you. Until I find them, just hand them over.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what for Zoe too?
Yes.
Oh, you're so nice. Ooh. I was looking at Papa for one batty. I'll batty a feed on my plate, you know, guys. I'm gonna play with the batty them. That's why she chat some. Anyway, I think this is the end of the vlog. I'm not sure, but if it is, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe for more, okay? Share the video with a friend. The mop? It's probably outside. I'm not sure. Okay, guys? I'm going to light. I'm going to light and tell them to thank y'all. Woo! Anyway, cuties, I think this is really the end of this vlog. So, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video to a friend or a family. Watch 1 or 2 odds. That's how your girl make her money. Alright? Thank you guys. I love you guys. And my new subscribers, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And thank you so much for subscribing. And welcome to the family. Okay? Yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.